10-month-old terrier mix in his first week of board and training. Yes. Right? Yes. Good. 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 That's I'm gonna see if I can get the rear to adjust. There I did. Good. Yes. Good. 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 Back. Good. Good. Attaboy. Yes, Tanner. Good. 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 Fancy about turn. Look at that. And an automatic sit as I stop. Look at that eye contact. Watch. Good. Good. Good as an extender. Yes is like a flicker. Tanner. Watch. Good. 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 Yes. Watch. Good. Good. Yes. Heel. Good. Good. Heel, Tanner. Tanner. Heel. Come on, good boy. Good. 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 Heel. Sit. That's a sit in motion. If they don't come when they're called, if you practice enough of those, leave a 1 to 4 foot shoelace or handle attached to the collar and walk over and pick them up. Heel, Tanner. Good. Good. Heel. Good. Attaboy. Good. 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 Sit. Good. 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 Watch. Good. Good. Yes. Tanner. Off. Take it. Good, good. I'll settle for that one. Heel. I was ready to give a little snap away from the food. Heel. Good, good. That's a boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Good, good. Sit, handsome. Stay. Stay means Alan's leaving. At first I keep one hand right above his ear in case I think he's going to get up. Good. Good. If he's doing what I ask, good. 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 Watch. No lure with food. Good. Yes. When I say yes, he gets food within a second. Good boy. Heel. Good, good. Back. Good, good, good. Sit again. Here. Sit. Down. Good. The down I go for, he's in a calm down now. His elbows are down. He's rolled to his hip in the back. This is a breakfast in bed game. Watch. Good, good. Yes. Or watch. Good, good. Yes. And he looks between his feet for a piece of food. Watch. Good, good. His elbows are down. Some dogs tuck in one foot. That's the parking brake. Before they get up, they straighten the foot. They roll to the bottom of their back feet, and their front elbows go up. And before any of that happens, I'm always ready to sit down. Good down. Heel. Heel. Good, good, good. Sit. Now this is one I call the recall game. This is teaching him to come when he's called. Stay. It's done from a sit, stay. I'm going to do this one with the finish on the left. Tanner, here. He comes. I keep the food low until he sits. If I raise it too soon, he'll jump. Watch. Good, good, yes. Watch, good, good. And now here's the left finish. Heel, got him all the way back to my foot, turn him around, get him to sit, and here's the left finish, kind of airborne. Heel, now here's that same exercise. Heel, let's say you see something. Hey, Ken, heel. Here, it's called call to front. While I'm walking, I just back up, 3 to 5, secure the sit, bring it up, good, 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 yes. And from that fancy about turn you saw me do before, here's the right finish. In my right hand, when I'm teaching, I drop my right foot back. Tanner, right. And as soon as he gets behind me, I switch hands, and he comes and sits next to me. That's Tanner.